Hi! Thanks for purchasing the C-Start Smart Switch. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove your old switch. Remember, if you have any concerns with handling wiring, hire a qualified electrician for the installation. Okay, before you do anything else, turn off the power for the switch location at the circuit breaker box and test the switch to make sure no lights come on. Now, let's remove your old switch. First, take off the faceplate. Next, we recommend you use your voltage tester on the black wire just to make sure the power is off. You can never be too careful. Then remove the screws holding the switch in place and pull the switch out of the wall. Make sure to leave the switch wired. Then label each wire coming from the wall box. Match black label to black lead wire, red label to red or black load wire, green label to green or copper ground wire, and white label to white or gray neutral wire. Remember, if you don't have neutral and ground wires, the C-Start is not compatible. After the wires are labeled, disconnect and remove the old switch. We hope you enjoy your switch to smarter lighting.